Parrot English.
洗手间在哪里？
Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom?
我需要医生。
I need a doctor. I need a doctor.
这个多少钱？
How much is this? How much is this?
我迷路了。
I'm lost. I'm lost.
我在哪里可以找到出租车？
Where can I find a taxi? Where can I find a taxi?
你能推荐一家好的餐厅吗？
Can you recommend a good restaurant? Can you recommend a good restaurant?
我想点菜。
I would like to order. I would like to order.
你们的特色菜是什么？
What is your specialty? What is your specialty?
请给我菜单。
Can I have the menu, please? Can I have the menu, please?
我在哪里可以换钱？
Where can I exchange money? Where can I exchange money?
我可以试试吗？
Can I try it on? Can I try it on?
有没有更大的尺寸？
Do you have a larger size? Do you have a larger size?
我可以拍照吗？
Can I take a photo? Can I take a photo?
我在哪里可以买票？
Where can I buy tickets? Where can I buy tickets?
有折扣吗？
Is there a discount? Is there a discount?
今天天气怎么样？
What is the weather like today? What is the weather like today?
你能推荐一些旅游景点吗？
Can you recommend some tourist attractions? Can you recommend some tourist attractions?
你能在地图上给我看吗？
Can you show me on the map? Can you show me on the map?
最近的地铁站在哪里？
Where is the nearest subway station? Where is the nearest subway station?
有多远？
How far is it? How far is it?
去那里需要多长时间？
How long does it take to get there? How long does it take to get there?
我可以走过去吗？
Can I walk there? Can I walk there?
请给我一张收据。
Can I have a receipt, please? Can I have a receipt, please?
你能帮我拿行李吗？
Can you help me with my luggage? Can you help me with my luggage?
我在哪里可以存放行李？
Where can I store my luggage? Where can I store my luggage?
房间里有保险箱吗？
Is there a safe in the room? Is there a safe in the room?
请叫醒我。
Can I have a wake-up call, please? Can I have a wake-up call, please?
早餐包含在内吗？
Is breakfast included? Is breakfast included?
你能给我带来一条毯子吗？
Can you bring me a blanket? Can you bring me a blanket?
我可以延迟退房吗？
Can I have a late checkout? Can I have a late checkout?
你能推荐一个好的导游吗？
Can you recommend a good tour guide? Can you recommend a good tour guide?
出发时间是多少？
What is the departure time? What is the departure time?
有直达航班吗？
Is there a direct flight? Is there a direct flight?
行李领取区在哪里？
Where is the baggage claim area? Where is the baggage claim area?
你能帮我处理海关手续吗？
Can you help me with customs? Can you help me with customs?
我在哪里可以买纪念品？
Where can I buy souvenirs? Where can I buy souvenirs?
你能把它运到我的国家吗？
Can you ship it to my country? Can you ship it to my country?
有什么当地的风俗习惯我应该注意的吗？
Are there any local customs I should be aware of? Are there any local customs I should be aware of?
我可以和你合照吗？
Can I take a picture with you? Can I take a picture with you?
有穿着要求吗？
Is there a dress code? Is there a dress code?
晚上在外面走安全吗？
Is it safe to walk around at night? Is it safe to walk around at night?
请给我账单。
Can I have the bill, please? Can I have the bill, please?
我可以要一把叉子、汤匙吗？
Can I have a fork, spoon, please? Can I have a fork, spoon, please?
我可以要再续杯吗？
Can I have a refill, please? Can I have a refill, please?
我可以要一个靠窗的桌子吗？
Can I have a table by the window, please? Can I have a table by the window, please?
我可以要一个非吸烟的桌子吗？
Can I have a non-smoking table, please? Can I have a non-smoking table, please?
最近的医院在哪里？
Where is the nearest hospital? Where is the nearest hospital?
我在哪里可以买药？
Where can I buy medicine? Where can I buy medicine?
你能推荐一家好的药店吗？
Can you recommend a good pharmacy? Can you recommend a good pharmacy?
最近的警察局在哪里？
Where is the nearest police station? Where is the nearest police station?
我丢失了护照。
I lost my passport. I lost my passport.
你能推荐一个好的翻译吗？
Can you recommend a good translator? Can you recommend a good translator?
你能帮我换一张$100的钞票吗？
Can you break a $100 bill for me? Can you break a $100 bill for me?
你们接受外币吗？
Do you accept foreign currency? Do you accept foreign currency?
你能给我更小面额的钞票吗？
Can you give me smaller denominations? Can you give me smaller denominations?
你能帮我填写这张表格吗？
Can you help me fill out this form? Can you help me fill out this form?
你能提醒我的预约吗？
Can you remind me of my appointment? Can you remind me of my appointment?
你能告诉我时差是多少？
Can you tell me the time difference? Can you tell me the time difference?
有空房间吗？
Do you have any available rooms? Do you have any available rooms?
这个城市有哪些必看的地方？
What are the must-see places in this city? What are the must-see places in this city?
入场费是多少？
How much is the entrance fee? How much is the entrance fee?
开放时间是什么时候？
What are the opening hours? What are the opening hours?
我可以提前预订票吗？
Can I reserve tickets in advance? Can I reserve tickets in advance?
我可以把票换成其他日期、时间吗？
Can I exchange my ticket for a different date, time? Can I exchange my ticket for a different date, time?
我可以升级到更高级别的票吗？
Can I upgrade my ticket to a higher class? Can I upgrade my ticket to a higher class?
我可以换座位吗？
Can I change my seat? Can I change my seat?
行李限制是什么？
What are the baggage restrictions? What are the baggage restrictions?
我可以尝试一些样品吗？
Can I try some samples? Can I try some samples?
你们有素食选项吗？
Do you have any vegetarian options? Do you have any vegetarian options?
服务费包含在内吗？
Is there a service charge included? Is there a service charge included?
我可以分开付款吗？
Can I pay separately? Can I pay separately?
你能推荐一道好的当地菜吗？
Can you recommend a good local dish? Can you recommend a good local dish?
你们有茶的选项吗？
Do you have any tea options? Do you have any tea options?
请给我一块蛋糕。
Can I have a slice of cake, please? Can I have a slice of cake, please?
请给我一个带走的杯子。
Can I have a to-go cup, please? Can I have a to-go cup, please?
你能推荐一家好的酒吧吗？
Can you recommend a good bar? Can you recommend a good bar?
我可以要一个能看到风景的房间吗？
Can I have a room with a view? Can I have a room with a view?
我需要国际驾照吗？
Do I need an international driver's license? Do I need an international driver's license?
你能推荐一些风景优美的驾车路线吗？
Can you recommend some scenic drives? Can you recommend some scenic drives?
这个国家的交通规则是什么？
What are the traffic rules in this country? What are the traffic rules in this country?
这个国家的交通规则是什么？
What are the traffic rules in this country? What are the traffic rules in this country?
你能帮我指路吗？
Can you help me with directions? Can you help me with directions?
我怎么去机场？
How do I get to the airport? How do I get to the airport?
我可以在公园野餐吗？
Can I have a picnic in the park? Can I have a picnic in the park?
有指定的步行小径吗？
Are there any designated walking trails? Are there any designated walking trails?
我可以带背包或包包进博物馆吗？
Can I bring a backpack or bag inside the museum? Can I bring a backpack or bag inside the museum?
有救生员在岗吗？
Is there a lifeguard on duty? Is there a lifeguard on duty?
有海滩设施，比如淋浴或更衣室吗？
Are there any beach facilities such as showers or changing rooms? Are there any beach facilities such as showers or changing rooms?
我可以在海滩上生火吗？
Can I have a bonfire on the beach? Can I have a bonfire on the beach?
我可以在海滩上捡贝壳吗？
Can I collect seashells on the beach? Can I collect seashells on the beach?
你能推荐一个好的当地徒步步道吗？
Can you recommend a good local hiking trail? Can you recommend a good local hiking trail?
步道沿途有任何风景观点吗？
Are there any scenic viewpoints along the trail? Are there any scenic viewpoints along the trail?
我可以与朋友分开付账吗？
Can I split the bill with my friends at the restaurant? Can I split the bill with my friends at the restaurant?
可以在博物馆内拍照和摄像吗？
Are photography and videography allowed inside the museum? Are photography and videography allowed inside the museum?
目前有哪些演出或表演正在进行？
What performances or shows are currently playing? What performances or shows are currently playing?
有售票处可以购买门票吗？
Is there a box office where I can purchase tickets? Is there a box office where I can purchase tickets?
学生或老年人有任何折扣吗？
Are there any discounts available for students or seniors? Are there any discounts available for students or seniors?
剧院内有小吃摊吗？
Is there a concession stand inside the theater? Is there a concession stand inside the theater?
可以提前预定演出的座位吗？
Can I reserve seats in advance for performances? Can I reserve seats in advance for performances?
这个海滩是否容易乘坐公共交通工具到达？
Is the beach easily accessible by public transportation? Is the beach easily accessible by public transportation?